Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin right away. Power down and remove cards, then flip the surface and remove the back screws with a T3 driver. Use a plastic pry tool to lift the rear panel. Do it slowly to avoid clip snapping. Once the panel is loose, locate the black adhesive strips and the battery connector. You will disconnect the battery before touching any internals. This prevents shorting and protects components, so make sure to keep screws labeled and parts separated as you proceed. You now remove the battery assembly. Unscrew the bracket holding the cell, keeping track of screw lengths and positions. Once screws are out, slide a plastic card or spudger between the battery and frame to loosen the adhesive. Slow, even pressure prevents punctures. After freeing the pack, lift enough to access the flex cable and disconnect it carefully. Do not yank the connector. Once disconnected, place the old battery in a non-conductive container for recycling and prepare. You'll seat the new battery into the bay and press firmly so the adhesive bonds. Align the cells and reconnect the flex cable until it clicks. Once connected, reinstall the battery bracket and return each screw to its labeled position. This preserves grounding and structural support. Refit the back panel and replace screws, then power on the surface. Check battery status and charging behavior before closing tools. If the device won't start or charge, reseat the connector and check for torn flex or debris. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.